You see that our x-axis is range of speed in miles per hour. Y-axis is tally. I'm going to call that number of animals. Each one of these marks is how many animals travel at that range. The first is 0 to anything less than 10. Those are going to be our very slow animals. They go to top speed, that is from 0 to anything less than 10. There's 5 over there. Next, we have 10 to less than 20. Those animals are going to be slightly faster. Humans kind of have a top speed. Like the fastest human, like Jesse Owens, Usain Bolt, they will go over 20 miles an hour of top speed. But when a human is running, a fast human, so we're talking something fast, we have 6 animals that go at that speed. 20 to 30 miles per hour. Something like a house cat. Those go real fast. 22 less than 30 miles an hour. There we have 6 animals too. Then we go from 30 to less than 40. I have 20 animals. So out of all the animals that were tallied at the zoo, most of the animals fell in that range. 40 to less than 50. There, 18 animals. Slightly less, but still a lot. 50 to less than 60. That's fast. Think about it. Most cars can't even drive that fast on like a city street. Think about driving on a highway. That's how fast those are. 10 animals. 60 to less than 70. That would be top speed allowed on most highways. 2 animals can go there. Then from 70 to less than 80, we have probably a cheetah. Cheetah's the fastest land mammal, but I know there's some sea animals that can actually go faster. So now I've copied our table as such. I would like to make a histogram. So I'm going to click on this chart. Let's see what it picks for me. It's picking a line chart. Now just so we could see, yesterday I showed you guys how to do a scatter plot. This is what a scatter plot would look like. Not very readable, not very pretty. I am going to use histogram. And to make it easier, I am going to our series, I'm going to add data labels so we could see the numbers. Great, let's analyze this. If I were to give you this histogram the way it is right now, you could see from 0 to 10 there are 5 animals that go there. 6 animals that go from 10 to 20 miles an hour. 6 animals that go from 20 to 30 miles an hour. 20 animals that go from 30 to 40 miles an hour. 18 animals that go 40 to 50 miles an hour. 10 animals go from 50 to 60. 2 animals that go from 60 to 70. 1 animal goes from 70 to 80. Notice there how the 1 is above it because this bar is too small. We can make some observations. What this bar graph does that the tally doesn't do, and that what the table doesn't, is we can see the picture. We could see that at either extreme, from 0 to 10 and 70 to 80, they're small. Not many animals are too slow, not many animals too fast. Most of the animals are in the middle, and that would make sense, assuming you have a good sampling of animals. We could see that it goes up and then it goes back down. Not in a perfect line, but close enough. We can also make some other observations. What observations do you make about this data?